So I'm here with my mom in her kitchen, and we are making meat and potatoes. So we already did the bacon, which you need to cook first. And then you need to add, of course, the potatoes. And those over there are the seasonings that we've used so far. Maple pepper, garlic salt, onions, and seasoning salt.
Break up the bacon.
Now you have to break up the bacon and add it to your potatoes while you're pre-cooking everything.
And then you're going to stir.
And then you're going to stir and start mixing it all together, my YouTubers.
And then mom's going to get the lid.
And mom's going to get the lid so you can cover it because it needs to be covered.
I spread it so it's all flat on the bottom of the pan.
Make sure you spread it so it's all flat to the bottom of the pan.
Ready?
So they're nice and evenly cooked. And they need to brown for about
10 minutes
10
and
minutes.
flip.
And then you flip them. Okay, now my fellow YouTubers, you need to make sure that you are stirring your potatoes.
Okay. Supposed to be flipping them over, not just stirring them, flipping them.
Oh.
Look.
You need to, all my YouTube followers, make sure you are flipping those potatoes
For the second 10 minutes.
for the second 10 minutes because you don't want them to burn at all.
Yes, you do.
You will not be the next Paula Dini. And then make sure you put the lid back on after you spread them out again, please. You may need to make sure they get nice golden brown tone. If you want, look over the bowl. They need to look this way. Okay? So make sure your meat and potato. Oh, I didn't answer meat, but make sure your potatoes look this way.
Make sure you don't have too much time before you make it.
Or your mom's gonna laugh at you. Okay. Yeah, they're definitely done.
Yes, they're definitely done.
Okay, now we're back, YouTube, and we are going to get ready to take the potatoes out of the pan because we're gonna get ready to brown the ground beef. I need help. Fellow YouTubers, be careful. Don't put your, if you're wearing any type of fake hair, or it can be highly flammable, so please stay away from flames. Because it gets really hot. Sorry. All right, now we are going to go ahead and add our ground beef to this dinner. With me. I'm sorry, YouTube. Y'all have to excuse me. We're on vacation and we're just having a really good time over here.
And some wine.
Do that.
In South Carolina. I need help.
Flip it.
Oh. We're gonna flip the meat. Like I said, once more, be careful with the hair. You see that?
Now chop it up.
You don't want that to burn. You guys have seen plenty reviews from me before. Trust me, be careful, it's hot. Meat and potatoes, folks. This should get your family nice and full. It's an easy meal. Takes about 15 minutes to make. No longer. Okay, just make sure, my fellow YouTubers and followers, that you chop up your ground beef really well And you need to make sure it's cooked until it's brown, please. I'm gonna put the top over this for a few minutes and let it go ahead and cook all the way through, and then we'll be done, and we will drain and rinse and clean the meat off. Now, you are ready to flip your meat. It should be getting nice and brown. Go ahead and flip those meat. Make sure, because sometimes you can get a little chunky ball or two. I would just like to thank Michael Beck for filming this for me right now. But yeah, you just want to make sure you get that meat really nice and well done, and just keep flipping it and break up those balls a little bit. They can be a little big and draggy. All right, we are ready for our next step. We are getting ready to drain that meat so we can get it all out. All this fat and greasy stuff is about to be rinsed all out, baby. We're draining the meat. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit this down, and I'm going to carry this over to the sink. And that's going to be my spatula. Oh, left over on the other side, guys. Don't do that. Don't leave your spatula. You need it. Because you're probably going to need help getting it drained. Then we're going to just slowly, I need some assistant. I need an assistant. There we go. I got an assistant. Mom's here. She has my back. We are going to drain our meat, guys. All the way drained. And we're also going to rinse it off. Get that fat off. We don't need that fat. It's not healthy for you. And it's definitely not good for a kid with high cholesterol. All right. Please make sure you're chopping the meat as you rinse it. Get that fat out real good, because we don't need that extra fat. Okay. All right, guys. Make sure you add your meat back to the pan, and also with your potatoes, and then you're gonna stir and mix it all together. And this is how you get your meal, your meat and potatoes, guys. This is meat and potatoes, Mom's famous meat and potatoes.